Okay, things change quickly. Um, I'm up higher than I was all points of today so far. I did go down actually almost $1,000. Um, I started to trade a little aggressive. Um, Not really too happy about that aggressiveness part, but God. Um, Oh, I am so happy. I was red, y'all. I am green. I'm back to halfway where I was. Actually, a little bit better now. Um, God, I wish I kept the plan over this. That's what I was thinking, and then I was thinking this right here. But then I saw this. I was talking to Odison, and he was like, "Yeah, no, it's probably not going to be very good." But I did it. I did it. I went in and out of it a few times though. I wish I had just stayed in it. As you can see, I did trades all along the way. So a lot that happened so quick. That happened so quick. Holy shit. So we got 5 minutes on this halt. So we're 2 minutes in already. God, that was nuts, y'all. We're gonna downsize down to 3. Should actually make no, we'll downsize to 2. No, 3. 2. We'll downsize to 2. I could always add more if I want to. I don't think I will. It's very, very scary right now. I'm fucking nervous as shit. If I do anything, it would be over high. Really concerned about being extended. Stop loss set. Take it straight to the moon. We're going to keep moving that up. And we're going to sell at the halt. Not sure where that halt will be. Holy shit, y'all. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, sweaty palms and everything. Oh, yeah. Ah. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. That's what we're about. That's what we're freaking about. Dude, I started another little cal here because today was not looking good. Booyah! Oh, I just had that all on tape too. Fuck yeah. Oh, I need to change my color. Woo-wee. Boom! Shakalaka laka laka. Oh yeah. So I was down at a height. Let me copy and paste this again. Put this down here. So it's at the low point on my account today. I was at 31. About there. Oh, no. Wrong button. Wrong button. So I was down 3%. I am now up massively. If I had just waited, I wouldn't have been like sweating as much as I was. I would have been in so much of a better position. Like honestly. Um but I had just gotten like a little too greedy. Um but I pulled that out. Yeah, so I was at the lowest 2.92% down. When I ended the stream, I was 1.69% down. So I came down a whole. Well, what's the difference? But 2.9 to subtract the 1.69. So I came down another 1.23%. But then I went from there, so negative 2.92. Now I'm now plus 3.26. Wait, I did that wrong. So I need to add the 2.2992 with what I'm above 0. Yeah, I did that totally wrong. I'm an idiot. Um, so that would be 3.26. So I made a difference of 6.18. We'll just say 6.2. That's close to 6.2. Yeah, I did. I went in a couple times, but I kept on getting out early. Because I was wanting to try to lock in those profits. I went really negative at first. You can just see. So after the video stream ended right here, like right after it ended, I went in and I went in. You can see the screen right here. I went in a couple times. I broke even somewhere right over. I think it was on this trade right here. I broke even, and I was up where I was before I even took this trade. Then right here, it halted. I sold. Then it opened here. I put it right here. I got filled at 41.9. So, I was just under the 42. Took it all the way up. Sold at 46. Fucking nailed it. Oh, yeah. Nailed the fuck out of that. I was going to take a 500 share, but I decided to downsize it to two, just to be safe on the downside. I didn't want to take a loss. I wish I kept the three because I did have three. I was thinking four, but then I was like, no, I'm going to be safe. You know, I just got back out of being red, so I took a 200 right here. But um, that trade right there, dude. If I kept that 500 though, it's really hard to play you don't want to play these, you know, like what if games, right? But uh, it's kind of fun to do that every now and then. So 4.1 times that by 5. Yeah, that would have been I would have doubled. But you know, I'm halfway there. I took a much smaller share sizing here. So I would have been actually like 3,000. But you know, I'm absolutely happy. I took a chance. I took a lot of chances. But I saw the move starting to happen. I was just I 100% should have walked away from this. 100%. I way overtraded this stock. 5,600. We'll say average price probably is going to be closer to like $35. I mean, I didn't buy that many down here. I really got big with share sizing up here. I mean, 1,000 right here at the 34.7. So we'll say times by 35. 200,000. That's 100 over what I normally would want to spend on one stock. I overspent on this stock. I'm really happy that it worked out. But I broke a rule that I normally have. I shouldn't have done that. Now I'm realizing like how bad I almost royally screwed up. Um I'm lucky in the long run that worked out. I'm looking at my spreadsheet here. That y'all that was lucky. That was lucky. Um I played it. I spent too much. I took 4 trades today. Every trade has been a win trade. I traded 4 stocks today. Every stock I traded, I won. Yeah, that I'm done trading. I am done trading for today. Um that trade so easily could have gone wrong. I was listening to music. I wasn't even really paying attention to the screen anymore. I just actually I was kind of paying attention while I was on my phone. I saw at the corner of my eye and I started right here. Saw this drop. I was going red for a second. I went majorly red somewhere. I don't remember where. I think it was right here. I went majorly red. No, it was It was right here. I bought 500. 500 here, sold, went red. No, I went slightly green, bought another 500, and it tanked. So I was massively red right here. What did I just say that was? Oh, fuck. 1150. Okay. So it was on that candle. I went massively red. I was thinking over here, so that's part of that was part of the reason why I did that. But honestly, that was a really, really bad move. Um, but this is what I was hoping it was going to happen over here. Like here. I was hoping for this. But then this happened, and this is what shook me. Well, that and I took a loss over here. That didn't help, and that and also over here. But wow, wow, wow. That was a really beautiful reversal on my part. I did the part for that reversal. That was God, the wow. Normally I would have just told you guys this the next day, showed you guys this and whatnot, but I just thought, you know what, I'll just jump live real quick. I'm not staying here. I'm gonna get going here pretty quick. But y'all, I'm not just green. I just smashed the living hell out of my daily goal. I did the daily goal for the next 3 days. Kind of. I fixed the loss from yesterday. So I did yesterday's and today's daily goal, and I'm halfway to tomorrow's daily goal. So I'm now up $763 on the week. And it's a Tuesday. Right? It's Tuesday, right? Yeah, it's Tuesday. So yeah, I'm at daily goals, slightly above for these 2 days, with yesterday being a loss of 300. Damn. That was I don't know if I want to even remotely try to go back in. I mean, I'm happy as it is right now. But stocks like this, they don't happen all the time. I mean, you got to try to take advantage of them when they're there. And this is not like infographics. This is real profit losses, guys. Like, you can't fake this. Well, I guess you can, but not when you're live. Not when. Yeah. And you guys saw this live. I did that move right there live. Because that's where the halt was. At 11:58. Got in just under the 42. Rode up to the 46. Got out at 46. On the dot. 46 on the dot. I'm I'm happy. If you can't tell that I'm happy, I'm happy. Um I needed that. I needed that. Odison, how much did you make on it? Did you do anything after the halt, or did you just watch it? Oh, there's another person in here watching. They don't even know what all just happened here. Hell, after the stream, you guys don't even know what all happened. I was down almost $1,000 on the day, just short of 1,000. I was like 900 something down. Total 115. Hey, that ain't bad. That ain't bad. 115. Oh, 113. Oh, hell, 113, 115, whatever. You played that smart. I mean, I took a huge risk. Huge. I'm just really lucky it paid off. Oh, I am. That went great. 75 shares. Nice. Honestly, over 41, you might be able to make a small play with that. Maybe say I wouldn't want to risk much. If it dips down close to around here, maybe try to do a dip buy. But I don't think I need to even try to worry about that. I'm really happy with where I'm at right now. Yeah, if I try to play this again, I'll probably only throw 50 shares on it. To be, I mean, just dead honest. Just because with 50 shares, I don't think I'll get beat up much. But if it comes back up, I can capture some pretty good profit with that. Yeah, see the 41 was a good level. This is sitting at just below. Okay, took a hit there. I was gonna say just below the whole dollar mark. So, if you got filled right at 41, you could have been close to a whole dollar. Sell at 42. That's a little scary. The spread is opening up again. It's kind of doing like what it was doing, earlier, where the spread starts to open and then you're more likely to get stomped out. So, uh, and it dropped below 41. See, that's part of the reason why I'm like, if I did do something, I might only want to be at 50 shares. You could try to buy the dip, maybe ride 100 shares or so. Yeah, the risk on this one is really, really hard. Josh is looking at it. He is really looking at it. I don't think Josh is going to do it. Uh, GTA, you are so sweet for calling me so hot. That was really nice of you. How did you know it was my birthday weekend? All right, and I'm now working a deal that might actually do me pretty good. I don't know where that will go yet, but I'm just gonna leave it as in the green. I was just gonna change the title and put like 1,000 or something. Yeah, dude. That the first 2 months or the last 2 months, it's been like that too. So yeah, see, at the 50 cent or 50 share, I probably would still be. I don't need to make a trade, so it's like I why I'm just I'm happy. GTA, I know I was making a joke when you said, thank you for calling me hot. I'm not that pretty. But yeah, it's been really freaking hot out there. Here in Texas, man, every time I get in my car, I feel like I'm gonna, turn into a fucking turkey or some shit, and a button is gonna pop on my ass saying I'm done. Because it's freaking hot inside that vehicle every time I get into it. Um, yeah, see, I'm starting not to like this. It's still trending up a little bit, but maybe move things to over 42. If you had 50 shares right around in here, I might have been looking to sell them. I might be moving my stop loss kind of maybe like right here, be 50 cents under where I would have bought in. The Wait, I said yeah, 41 over the top of that. So I'm now just kind of watching this. I do not expect me to do any more trades. I've made my money today. If it starts doing this again, I will buy. Because I mean, from maybe at 43 back up to here, that'd be 300 bucks per hundred. I don't think I'll do no 300 or 200 like I did before, but I might throw a 50 or 100 on there. So I got a guy who has a bunch of Samsungs. That's probably a cell phone shop that wants to sell me some phones. So that's fantastic news. Or business. Like they upgrade their phones. It's a generation or two old now. It's actually the exact same phone I got. This is an S21. I've thought about upgrading it, I just haven't. I like the S23s with the pen and all that. That's actually pretty clean. Yeah, see, it's starting to break. I think this is gonna starting a downtrend back down to 38. So if you're in this, I would be really looking to get out. Like I said, I probably would have had stop loss at the 450. So I would have already been out. That would have been 50 cents low where I was. Yeah, there's the 440. 440 will be incoming. Man, I'm just I did not expect. I end the stream right here. I click the button. I kind of sit back on my phone. This candle's kind of starting off a little slow. I'm on my phone. Boom. And then I reach over, I grab my mouse, I click the button. I didn't have time to try to go live again. I was in active trading all through this candle. I wish I just stayed in it. But I completely understand why I was selling out of it as many times as I did. I was doing 500 shares each time. So, say 35 to Say I sold near halt 41. So that'd be 6 times by 500. Yeah, that would have been 3,000 right there. Not counting, I could have made another 3,000 right here. So this right here could have easily been a $6,000 play, but because I was playing very, very edgy right here, and then I'd locked in green again, I did not want to go negative, so that's the way I played this one. I did was only 200. I did not go deeper than that. When this stream is done, you should really go back and watch, because I started the stream right after the halt, or like a minute or 2 minutes after the haul. I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna go live again. But you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Like right when that kind of clicked in, I was thinking about doing 5, but then I cut that down to 3 and then 2. I wanted to be careful that I didn't go back to red, especially since, well, I didn't know it at the time, but it opened low here, but this candle looked really kind of good to me. And then when this kind of didn't go, too far down, I was like, okay, I clicked just over and it worked. A mod chip on your Switch? Okay. I never really played with the Switch handhelds. I know some people, they absolutely love them. To be dead honest, I really don't play that many games. If I play any games, it's on Steam. I just use my computer here. I'm not even logged in. Of course not. Oh yeah, turn it off so it doesn't turn on, because I don't play games all that much. I bought this computer purely because, well, I'm a heavy computer user. My computer, I mean, look, it's tapped out. Like CPU's at 100, and I'm using 75% of the dang GPU. So yeah, I use the crap out of my computer here. But yeah, see, everything kind of needs updating here. It's actually updating right now. It spiked the living crap out of my internet. But I got really fast internet, so it doesn't matter. I'll lower that. But yeah, these are the games I play. When I'm not playing the stocks. Age of Empires, I might actually play that later. That actually sounds like fun. I haven't played Arma 3 in forever. This game is actually kind of slow and kind of fun. I haven't played this in forever. I might play Oblivion. Actually, that sounds like a lot of fun. Alright. Yeah, see, it came down almost to the 38 level. I'm actually not surprised by that. Oh, Odison. Look at who's putting a play on it. Josh is. I'm not gonna say the level, because that is a paid for thing and all that. But he is looking at it. Looking at it really kind of strong. His high target, I don't think the max potential, I don't think that's accurate. I do not think it will hit that number. Well, then again, it did, go from 29 all the way up to actually 18. Damn. All the way up to here. So, I mean, I guess anything's possible. Dude, can you imagine if we bought in down over here around the 22 mark? Like, holy crap. 22 all the way up to 40, 42, whatever, 46. It wouldn't matter where the hell you sold it up here. You'd been looking at a massive Massive win on this stock. But in the market where everything else, everything, like everything, Queen, Spy, Nove is down, kind of. I haven't traded that in a while. Navita is down. It's actually down right where I bought it the other day. Like, that's how far down it went. That's about where I bought it. The 455. It was 455, so it actually went down lower. AMD is down. Like, ooh, that's ugly. MGM is not doing anything. I was hoping MGM would be like rebounding here. Carvana, I don't want to trade that. Ford is not doing good. Tesla's down. Amazon, I mean, I've been kind of watching this. I would like to see the break going back up, but I don't think it's there. Kind of like the same thing with this one. I'm probably going to delete both of those. So in a market where everything is failing, could you really predicted this move on the stock to that degree, going from 20 all the way up to 40, in the mid 40s? I don't think so. See, I got this stock in here twice. Do I? Yeah, I do. I don't need that stock in there twice. But yeah, this one was looking really good pre-market, and it died. Kind of similar to this one, and I mean it's still green but downtrending. I don't even know why I have that. I don't like that. Not anymore anyway. That is like barcodes. That one is just not doing anything. SOS, I had a little bit of hopes for this one the other day. Because, you know, midday it had this really super bullish move, but it's really super, like, getting killed here. So, I mean, this is like the only stock that feels like it really. HKD. Hold up. HKD. I just saw it right here. HKD. Yellow. So it's not up as much as our other, or as our big boy here. That's up massive 120%, but it has a whole lot less volume than HKD. HKD has a lot more volume. But is this extended? Oh, oh, that's Google Calendar. Okay, I still got time. I'm not worried. Thank you for letting me know. HKD might be interesting. Um, I'm gonna go ahead and put that stock right there so I can watch it. I don't think I'm gonna trade VSF anymore. I think I'm done with that one. I really do. I don't think I want to. And that, and on that stock, VFS, Victor, Frank, Sarah, because those letters actually, they kind of mend together. I over traded on that stock already in price. I've traded $200,000 on it, and I feel like when I start pushing over 100,000 means that I've gone in and out of that stock one too many times. And if I do that I feel like I'm starting to take too much risk. So I think sitting back and chilling on VFS, even though that was the biggest win by far today. And I got plenty of room. I got plenty of room to lose money on it and not go red. Like I can go in with 100 shares right now and say, well, I'll sell at, below the 38. I could easily do that. Easily. And I'll walk away with 875. That's still a fantastic day. But I feel like I'm already overextended in my personal trade on this stock. By like 92,000. Well, actually, probably just say 100. It's probably over 200 averaged price. Is what I've spent on this one. So the best way for me to not spend any money on it is just not to be watching it. TGTX. This one has been a very interesting runner. Couple back in April, May. So this one might be worth watching. If it can start to break up above, it could be a good little runner, but I think it's still going to be underwater. So I'm going to keep an ear out for it. I might take a look at it off and on throughout the next few days. Oh God, I can't stop not looking at it though. I'm just so happy. I'm really happy with the way I played that. Well, kind of. I could have played that 100 times better. Man, that's not a bad day. All right, I'm gonna walk away from the computer. I'm $1,000 up. That's a good day in my book. That's a good day. I'll put TGTX right here so I know to take a look at it later. AAOI, what are you doing? You're kind of dying now. It did make a new high today, but it just did not continue. We'll keep an eye on it. If it can get over that, it could be interesting for later this week. But ultimately, I am done, and done on this day. I mean, today was a good day. Well, thank y'all for coming in, watching again me today on part 2. But I went from, end stream red, like what 200 or whatever, to end of stream down 900 to above 1,000. Talk about a whirlwind, a huge whirlwind of change. But that's part of the reason why you gotta try to keep your head in the game. But I'm actually kind of upset with myself because I screwed up. I overtraded. I was getting way too greedy. So could have played it better. Definitely could have played it better. But overall, I'm happy with that. See you all tomorrow. I promise this time. I'm not going to go live again for a part 3. Don't think so. Anyway, later. Stop that one. Stop this one.